Alright guys, I'm Dave and what we have here is the default Unreal FPS template modified by me. Almost everything was made with C++ code, let's see what we have here. The first thing I made was an ammo system, so now the rifle weighs ammo and you can refill it. It's a wrapper class around the default weapon component where new ammo-related data members are added and the fire function and initialization functions are overridden. To see how much ammo is in your pocket and in the gun, I made this beautiful ammo widget. The main thing here is that these text blocks in code are bound with actual widget text blocks, so I can manage them using code while at the same time being able to customize their appearance in the editor. The widget is a subscriber of a character class's delegates, so it refreshes the text blocks on certain events and it doesn't have to check the values every tick. To pick some ammo, I made these ammo collectibles. They show how much ammo they contain and won't disappear if you aren't able to take all the ammo at once. The next thing I made is the heat rifle, which doesn't depend on ammo but can be overheated. It shoots with a specific rate while a mouse button is pressed, and you can't overcome this rate by simply clicking the mouse faster. Every shot adds temperature, and when the rifle becomes overheated you can't shoot till it cools down. All the logic is made with a timer. When you press the left mouse button, start fire method is called, and if the weapon is not overheated, it fires once and sets the timer to call fire with a specific interval. The overridden fire method calls the parent's fire, adds temperature, and if the gun is overheated, sets the cooldown to the timer. And when you release the mouse button, stop fire method is called, which clears the timer but lets him count down the remaining time so the player should not be able to fire. You can also observe a grenade in the game. You can pick it up with the help of the same ammo collectible class. I can choose the ammo type and it will show the model needed. The grenade has throw strength and the widget shows it. The grenade explodes after 3 seconds, adjustable after being spawned, and applies the radial force at the point of explosion. And if you are interested to see how something I haven't described is made, you can check this code out in my repository via the link in the description.